Alright. Kita stream lagi tadi, sorry ada om gue datang guys ke rumah. Jadi gue gak bisa ninggalin ya, sorry. Jadi kita lanjut aja, kita live stream baru lagi. Bentar, gue habis lebaran ya, malah batuk ini. Tapi emang ini guys, lagi pada batuk bro, saudara-saudara gue juga kemarin. Jadi jaga kesehatan semuanya ya. Bentar, bikin Ratska dulu. Aduh, gua nggak bawa air lagi. Let's go guys. Bantai nggak sih? Nggak ada efeknya guys. Oh ada kok. Anjir cepet cok. Aduh masih level 9 anjing. Lah, kok nggak bisa ya guys? Siapa? Kabur dia. Siapa itu guys? Mystery Warrior. Formless Demon. Ini bantuin lah, jangan. Terus misi kita? Nah terus guys, oh 1000 coy. Nah, misi kita gimana guys? Ntar dulu. Oh udah. Anjir, jadi ada gituannya ya? Serem banget. Dia nge-defense guys. Lah, kaget gua. Kira ada peti yang belum. Kira monster anjir. Nah terus kita ke nggak mungkin ke situ kan guys. Kabur ya. Lamaan. Ada lah ini apa guys? Mysterious Ruin. Kuat nih. Nggak kuat-kuat juga sih. Kayaknya gue udah pernah kesini ya. Apa enggak guys? Lumayan Mega Medicine guys. Mystic belum pernah tahu. Miss bro. Cherry incense. Ini ujungnya apa anjir? Guys, ini kemana guys? Sumpah. Please jalannya jangan cabang. Lumayan nge-heal gratis guys. Unicorn Arm Brand. Aduh, ngurangin banget ya. Anjing, ngurangin ini parah, Pak. Ini gak ada item buat balik ya. Gak ada yang buat balik. Gak ada yang buat balik, coy. Musuhnya jarang sih. Cabut. Terus cara gua keluar gimana, anjing? Malas. Kita harus ke Citro dulu, guys. Dia tukang ini nih, tukang apa sih namanya? Tukang petani anjing bahasanya. Terus gue liat mana anjing? Liat mana nih, guys? Siapa ini? Someday. Kakek mau ikut ini nggak? Gak ada, guys. Oh, ini rumah kita ya? Peklarmit harganya mahal guys. Ah, murah-murah ya. Miskin aja warganya. Kota pertama. Hah? Ya elah. Jelek. Gue kira ada upgrade-annya. Nah, gini bro maksud gue. Dia kenapa pengen ketemu Icas banget ya? Lah. Gila udah banyak nih yang kerekrut guys. Cuman ya udah gitu aja. Ntar kita habisin misi dulu ya. Apaan sih? Apaan sih? Woi bro. Apaan? Aduh. Siap dulu.
You got a quest report waiting. Way to go! You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Ada lagi?
A new assignment, huh?
Halo
Until
guys.
next time.
Dulu. Gue mau coba. Black. Argen gue udah punya ya. Kasian masih silver anjing. Wah ini mahal banget sih. Boleh lah ya. Di gua nih guys. Jangan iron bow deh. Aduh, cuma ada iron bow dong, Sapphire. Udah dia ya. Siapa lagi ya? Hotupa. Hotupa defense-nya oke sih. Nggak cukup, Cok. Bawa Marika dulu deh. Marika gua. Boleh-boleh sih guys taruh depan ya. Marika gua. Liu gua pakai Sapir ada gak sih? Nah ini masih ada nih Sapir. Kasih Sapir aja guys. Masih 26 kesian anjing. Beli habis itu save baru kita ambil misi lagi ya. Warrior armor. Udah ya? Cukup guys.
Hey, great leader. Want some work?
Ini enggak sih?
Let's see.
Tadi dulu guys.
Oh,
Save dulu, save
we'll
dulu.
see you later.
Gue belum nge-save, ntar bahaya kalau salah formasi. Marika ketemu Marika anjing.
I got some work you'll really like. Let's see.
Grey Ridge. Wah, mencurigakan nih. Ih, kenapa dia ya? Mencurigakan, guys. Defense Corp. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, apa? Halo halo DXT. It must be nice to... Terus? Kita balik lagi nih. Nonton pertama. Iya mungkin. Terus kita balik kah? Misi kita udah kelar ya? Udah bro. Oh iya, kita ke main dulu gak sih? Taruh dulu guys, taruh guys. Di sini ada sesuatu soalnya. Nah, ini bisa diajak ngobrol gak sih? Bisa kan? Aduh, ini apa ya guys? Set dulu deh. Ngeri amat. Lah. Udah ya, ngerekrut ya? Balik dulu guys. He found Nakil. Oh. Nakil that more than they needed to know, but it's the truth. And I say let the truth be told. Captain aside. Terus? Oh, dia gabung sama kita? Kayaknya gabung deh. Oke, gabung. Oh gila, kita udah rekrut berapa orang nih guys? Berarti misinya aja belum habis. Let's go gak sih? Save dulu guys. Kenapa berbahaya. Karena gue belum pernah main ini, belum tamatin ini, jadi kemungkinan bisa terjadi. Kemungkinan apa saja bisa terjadi.
Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Shizuka and Nemne. Ini gue belum ada Nemne, gimana ya?
This the one you want? You've made up your mind, right?
Reviews.
Oh, you really want to quit?
If we refuse, then our refusal is going to make them complain even more. Oke. Kita jalan lagi nih. Ini yang bandit bukan sih? Iya ya. I came to turn you down. Ribut nih. If you're going, listen to you, you insolent brat. Why are you to be talking to us like that? Wait, Miss Wright, what are you? I hate to admit it, but I have to say this kid's work. This sounds reasonable. Well of us, what we need is some self-reflection. Anjay, fall back. Udah. Segitu aja anjing. Udah misi kelar nih. Idih. Aduh, ini dapat apa ya kalau ngebunuh dia ya? Medicine doang. Skip. Ini boleh guys. Gitu-gitu juga anjir. Bentar. Ntar guys, kita bisa ke atas tahu. SP kecil banget anjing. Udah balik kan? Oke, kepasang lift kah? Let's go. Ada lift ya, bro. Balsem aja namanya. The pump. Kita nyari pump nih. Save dulu berarti. Gila, di 2 stream tadi kita udah rekrut berapa orang guys, gue nggak ngitung. Misinya banyak banget ya. Oh, kita harus dapetin ini dulu kali ya. Memperbesar inian kali.
You got a quest report waiting. Aw, well, these things happen.
Islato Salmon.
A new assignment, huh?
Nah, ini ambil dulu guys.
Let's see. You've made up your mind,
What's the
right?
tablet of the promise? Hah?
Who can I send?
Tadi dulu guys,
Who can I send? Let's see.
Your step useful blah 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 blah.
So you'll take on this quest?
5 dice
Who can I
guys.
send?
Oh shit. Siapa nih? Ini gak sih Manaril, terus Mubal, sama Jan Mervis, Kotupa. Siapa ini? Oh si cakep ya, Minen namanya anjir. Amanya gak guys sih guys?
You've made up your mind, right? I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs?
Habis ya? Kita bolak-balik dulu gak sih? 5 hari ya guys? Lima hari. Satu 6. Baik lagi aja. Jalan-jalan doang anjing. Kita bolak-balik. Kita bolak-balik. Udah belum? Oh udah,
We gotta
berhasil.
thank you. Have a look. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Brum. Ada lagi. Aduh, si suka ada nemne ya.
Until
Gua
next
nggak ada
time.
nemne, cowok. Mau lanjut misi kah? Ntar dulu guys. Wah, Nomno juga ada. Terakhir sampai mana guys? Zenoa. Zenoa udah ada kan? Ntar dulu guys, ini gue bingung nih. Kemarin udah sampai mana kita? Genoa, ada nggak Genoa? Oh bukan gini caranya. Saya inget gue udah ada deh Genoa. Mana guys Genoa? Lah. Oh ini udah ada. Itu ya Dima at his house. Ya Dima emang gue udah ada guys. Salah. Ya Dima. Nggak ada ya yang Dima guys. Ntar dulu. Mana ada lu udah. Oh terakhir sampai Genoa ya. Ya Dima. After talking to ya Dima. West Dock. Western. Tar dulu guys, tar dulu. Kita disuruh ke sini. Dock Western. Ini kah guys? Nah ini pam gak sih? Oh ini gak sih? Oke. Hah? Talk to Moana. Moana tuh yang mana ya guys? Oh Moana ini, Moana yang misi-misi. Accept the plowing the field mission. Gak apa-apa nama karakternya gue. Save dulu deh.
Real quick, keep rolling in. A new assignment, huh?
I wanna get a reckon you send me a few strong type to help.
You've made up your
Happy
mind,
animal
right?
of the world need somebody strong. Somebody strong.
Who can I send?
Somebody strong siapa guys? Taruh. Kita tumbalin gel nggak sih? Tumbalin gel dulu guys. With high strength. Gel dong. Ya gel aja. Apaan sih? Mamet nggak bisa soalnya. Lu sorry ya kalau gue batuk-batuk. Mau pilek kayaknya.
Nice to be famous and get good work. Let's see. Who can I send?
Gel nggak bisa guys. Jangan boleh. Crocodile boleh. Roberto boleh.
Let's see. I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs? See you later.
Bolak balik ya. Bolak-balik sehari doang kan ya? Coba kita lihat. Oh ya sehari doang. Sehari doang guys. Bolak-balik aja nggak sih? Kalau gitu mah mending tidur aja nggak sih? Udah berhasil.
Gotta thank you. Have a look. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh? Until next time.
Name-nya itu loh nggak ada guys. Wih udah ini ya numbuh. Biasanya ada peternakan lagi guys. Tahu dulu. Ntar dulu guys. Ini name-nya ini loh yang belum ketemu guys. Kita ke Nice dulu katanya. Ntar guys. Kita bawa si Jel dulu. Oh, udah benar. Save dulu. Kena nail lah. Nah, kita ke Nice dulu katanya. Mana Nice? Buset 18 hari bro. Dari ilmu musafir anjir. Kemana join? Retim tuh Nice Trade Shop. Ada bocahnya di sini katanya guys. Oh iya guys. Oh iya nih. Tuh hululu. Reka. Terus go to headquarter. Balik nih kita. Kita ke headquarter lagi guys katanya. Ambil misi.
Nice to be famous and get good work.
Wih, 2 nih, ada misi lagi, Cok.
Let's see.
If you can make a
So you'll take on this quest?
Terus kita katanya ke west. West itu ke kiri guys, salah. Ini east. Semias yang mana sih guys? Ini Logan. Semias standing. Ini enggak sih? Ah, ini dia. Terus resident area di lantai 2. Ini enggak sih? Bukan. Reka mana? Ini. Hah? Kayaknya bukan deh. Talking tuh Reka dan tuh Hulu. Jangan bilang lantai 2-nya di sini anjing. Apa nih guys? Oke, ini deh, bagusan ini gak sih? Ini guys. Chronicles Room. Second floor katanya. Ini apa? Mana reka-rekanya anjing? Enggak deh kayaknya. floor resident. Mana sih guys? Resident tuh yang mana? Di private room. Ini floor resident anjing. Ya bukan di sini dah. Reka-rekanya mana anjing? Guys, reka-rekanya mana guys? Oh, maybe. Oh, maybe di bawah, guys, salah. Ini blade outpost anjing. Gak ada anjing. Second floor resident. Oh, ini tempat tidur gua ya. Dulu guys, set dulu. Janganlah, ini misi cok. Jangan dulu. Ini story utama. Reka-rekanya mana, tai? Guys, reka-reka di mana, guys? Ini resident tahu. Emang ada jalan turun lagi, guys? Gak ada kok. Second floor. Bukannya dia blade outpost ya? Ini kan jatuhnya blade outpost, guys. Mau ada jalan lagi? Anjir, air ah. Pusing ini. Oh, apa gue belum ya? Oh, salah gue, salah. Kayak ada yang kelewat deh guys, tadi dulu. Ini gue salah. Belum. Jangan ngomong sama Semias anjir. Ini maksud gua. Nah, sini nggak? Enggak, bukan. Nah, ini floor resident anjir. Kocak dah lu, nggak hafal. Ini bukan tempatnya Mariel. Oh, ini guys. Apa namanya yang ini ya? Terus habis itu oke. Terus lapor dulu ya. Report dulu.
You got a quest report waiting. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Ada lagi?
A new assignment, huh? Let's see. Who can I send?
Katanya suruh kirim si Hotupa sama Tuluhulu. Hotupa mana? Hotupa sama Tuhulu. Tuhulunya mana anjing? Cok, Tuhulunya nggak ada nyet. Ntar dulu guys, apa dia di ini support? Nggak ada nyet, kemana ya?
You've made up your mind, right? I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs? A new assignment, huh? Let's see. Who can I send?
Strong ya? Butuh yang strong katanya guys. Salah deh. Crocodile Mervis.
Let's see. I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs? Are you done?
Gue juga nggak ada lagi. Butuh 5 hari guys. Tuh hulunya kemana anjing? Oh nggak ada ya? Nenek sama tuh hulu nih nggak ada nih. Wih, tuh hulunya nggak ada bang. Sukses loh.
You got a quest report waiting. Wow, you're the best. Here's your reward.
Ih, bisa loh. Ih, berhasil loh. Oh gitu caranya guys. reka-reka sama tuh hulu ya. Oh gitu caranya guys.
You got a quest report waiting. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh?
Itu kayaknya nggak bakal habis dah.
Secret.
Ini kayak
You've made up your mind,
harus
right?
ngirim ini nggak sih, coba ya.
What can I send?
Anya sama Nemne nggak ada nyet, sumpah. Numnu ya adanya anjing. Nemne kemana guys? Tuh hulu udah ada. Numnu ada ya. Udah kali.
Let's see.
Gak bisa loh.
I'd unearthed a ton of secrets. Who can I send?
Sama Nimni aja kali ya. Gak bisa loh guys. Kasih nih gak sih? Merah.
Let's see. I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs?
Berapa hari guys?
Until next time.
Berapa hari? Tiga hari. Aku kepo guys. Berhasil nggak nih? Kalau berhasil berarti sisa satu misi yang nggak bakal habis-habis doang tuh, yang field itu. Guys, Demne guys, gimana nih? Ah, sukses.
We gotta thank you. Have a look.
Sukses kok guys.
Wow, you're the best.
Oh, pretty bad.
Here's your reward.
Berhasil kok.
A new
Berhasil
assignment.
kok. Lagi
So
guys.
you'll take on this quest? Who can I send?
Siapa nih? Oh, Getchus. Minen udah ya. Selen. Ini jangan Manaril dong. Kuba, Mervis sama ya Dima enggak sih. Roberto. Kasih Godbrook lah.
Let's see. I gotcha. Want to see some other
Ya,
jobs?
let's go,
See you
guys.
later.
Minen udah ya. Sota. Hah, Sota di mana anjing? Sota. Sota tuh yang mana sih guys? Ntar dulu. Sota. Sui. kode nih. Aduh, nggak kelihatan lagi Sota yang mana. Sota udah ya guys. Lah, Muro ini mah anjing. Oh alah, Sota tuh di ini guys, gue lupa. Gimana sih guys? Sota lokasi di mana ya? Gue lupa lagi. Aduh, lupa guys, lupa sumpah. Di kota-kota inilah, deket-deket sini kita tes dulu lah ya. Ini udah karakter ke-38 guys. Di sini nggak sih? Sota guys, ini guys. Presiden ya kalau nggak salah. Apa bukan ya? Aduh, lupa lagi. Bukan. Apa bukan di sini ya? Lupa ah. Bukan guys. Vendor. Bukan cok. Plaza. Bukan. Bukan di El Coral berarti. Di mana ya? Lupa. Dia tuh orang yang misterius itu loh. Salsabil kah? Presiden ya? Lupa. Oh, ini enggak sih? Apa? Oh, ngajak mobile nih guys. Ngajak mobile. Ntar ya. Ini gimana ya? Bukan. Open shop. Bukan. In. Bukan. Kok sama ya? Innya Trade Harbor. Bukan. Viceroy. Bukan di sini berarti. Di mana ya guys? Lupa cok. Niners kah? Lupa, Cok. Sota guys, Sota guys. Mana sih Sota ya? Anjir, lupa, Cok. Enggak ada di sini. Apa di TH ya? Kayak di TH deh guys. Ini gak sih? Ah ini bang, TH. Sota. Oh ini ya. Iya, halo. Tadi kan ini live streamnya udah mati. Ini live stream baru. Terus gimana ya guys? Ini rekrutnya gimana sih? You can ask him to join. Kayaknya harus misi dulu deh. Oh ini dia nih. Ih ikut ya. Wes oke, lengkap ya. Sota udah, Yot. Udah Yot udah. Gimana sih? Nine trade shop and talk to trade shop owner with that balsam need to pump. Oke, kita ke Nine lagi. Puter terus. Let's go guys. Kita ke headquarter. Ke Nine dulu. Mana Nine? Puter terus bos. ke trading post. Terus kita nge-trade pump. Apa sih katanya? Go to nearest trade shop and talk to the trade shop owner that balsam need to pump and the shop owner. Apa sih? Gak ada bro. Gak ada pump, mana pump? Wih banyak. Mana pump? Gak ada bro. Apa? There's been an explosive increase a giant bugs in the forest, so their sales are dropping in price. Begitu. Lah kok gak ada nyet? Lah. Mana pamnya anjing? Apa sih? Gak jelas nih orang. Trade shop guys. Mana pamnya anjing? Nggak boleh dalam misi kali ya? Iya kayaknya nggak boleh dalam misi deh guys. Balik dulu dong berarti. Bolak-balik nih maininnya nih. Namanya juga ini ya. Dulu kita kelarin misi dulu nih. Klaim dulu. Gila belum sorry lo kita. Cuman set mission dulu doang.
We gotta thank you. Have a look. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh?
Canceller Edge.
This the one you want?
Ini apa guys?
You've made up your mind, right?
Share the finding.
Who can I send?
Sota. Kok ada Sota guys? Gak ada. Mubal, oh ya Mubal guys.
Who can I send?
Berapa hari sih? Puyeng juga nih lihat ya. Delapan hari lagi. Kita mau bikin lift doang nih, susah banget ya. Lah, mana sih ini, guys? Oh, di sini sini. Pumpnya di mana ya, guys? Coba kita balik lagi sekali lagi ya. Abis itu kalau nggak bisa, fucking asshole lah. Jauh guys kesini, gila. 18 hari lo kesini. Kayak nggak kesini deh. Entry guys, coba. Ada pam nggak? Ada orang nggak yang bisa diajak ngobrol? Ini nggak bisa guys, sumpah. Ini kah? Apa ini anjing? Nggak ada nyet. Nggak ada. Kemana ini? Trading post kan, disuruh gue trading post guys, cuman dia kayak nggak ngomong gitu loh. Ini jual aja kali ya Lagarde ya. Harganya murah banget. Oh, mahal nih. Oh, ini dia pam anjir. Di sini anjir. Nah, bolak-balik kayak gua liat-liat nih. Di guide-nya suruh ngomong sama owner, kan lucu ya. Kenapa suruh tuh trade shop owner, orang mau suruh ngomong sama peti gitu, baru jelas bro. Ntar kita ambil ini dulu ya. Misi dulu. Berhasil nggak? Kalau gagal sih lucu.
We gotta thank you. Have a look. Wow, you're the best. Here's your reward.
Udah kan?
A new assignment, huh? Are you done?
Terus kita berarti ke farm dulu. Kita belum ngomong sama ini, Cok. Udah belum sih? Ngomong dulu deh sama dia. Ke balsam dulu, guys. Ini nggak ada ini sih. Meleduk dia, bro, robotnya. Delapan tahun. 10 days. Tuh dulu udah ya. Oh. Oke. Kita ke Citro ya, guys. Habis ini kita ke Citro. Tar. Gue lupa, guys. Udah direkrut belum ya? Tar dulu. Ini kita suruh bawa si ini. Siapa lagi? Bawa aja semua ya. Ini terus siapa lagi, guys? Bukan Morin. Yovel gak sih, guys? Bukan. Buce. Ini gimana level 10, Cok? Sedih banget. Wih, rival, bro. Pistol, rifle, anjing. Semuanya lu. Di belakang semua nih. Kita ke Citro ya, ke Kemia. Ke Kemia. Di Citro. Town Square. Nih. Kita tukang buat ini pistol ya. Let's go. Kemia is no only. Hah? Terus nggak bisa lagi guys, elevator harus working nih. Ntar gue mau bawa mobile guys. Buset, ada di sini dia. Gila, makin gede ya nih guys. Coba kita look di sini ada apa ya? Hah? Kita ngebagus ini, ngerawat kastil kita ya, dapat ini loh. Dapat duit anjir. Tar guys.
You quick, keep rolling in.
Aduh, misi lagi, cok.
Let's see. So you'll take on this quest?
Hah?
Who can I
Binding
send?
with sotah. Sotahnya mana anjing? Emang ada sotah guys? Ada nih.
Who can I send?
Taruh
Dealing?
dulu guys. Sotah support ya. Ntar gue bawa dulu gelnya. Gel Marika Liu ya. Lu di depan lah. Oh gini guys, biar nggak deket-deket. Alah, bodo amat lah. Bodo amat lah. Gini guys.
You quick, keep rolling in.
Nih,
Let's see. Who can I
nih.
send?
Minen. Sama satu lagi siapa? Busce. Ini baru Sota. Nah,
Who can I send? I gotcha. Wanna see some other jobs? Are you done?
nih gue mau mobile sih. Mobile. Salah anjing. Makin gede aja nih. Mobile, Liunya ganti mobile. Nah, kita bawa mobile guys. Ini elevator bentar. Belum working ya guys. Kita bikin working dulu gak sih? Anjay, working. PR banget naik tangga, bro. Oh, udah. Server. Ini robot juga Star Barrier. Gokil. Anjay babar. Oke, kita ke Mubal dulu ya. Ke Mubal. Kemana tuh yang kita suruh bawa si Mubal? Wih, banyak ini yang kita rekrut guys. Dua streaming ini ya. Belum sama sekali story gue nih. Sabil gak sih? Karol kah? Lupa gue. Di Resident gak sih? Bukan guys, bukan di sini. Bukan di sini. Sini. Nah, ini dia. Nazhat. Rizwan aja namanya, nama Indo. Hah? Oh, nggak bisa, harus ada lagi guys. Nggak bisa. Tapi misi dulu deh, misi dulu nggak sih? Misi dulu guys. Story dulu, nih harus story dulu nih. Ya harus story dulu ini mah. Ini nggak ada yang baru pak. Angkor. Hah? Baru guys. Wih, bisa loh. Kunai cok. Boleh nih. Salah. Gak bisa guys. Anjing, dia bisa pakai ini cok. Anjay, nambah 30. Ini bisa beli ini. Burst rifle. Oke punya nih guys. Tapi masih kecil-kecil anjing.
We gotta thank you. Have a look. You're on this quest now, right? Let's see. Wow, you're the best. Here's your reward.
Prototype rifle.
A new assignment, huh?
Ntar dulu deh.
Are you done?
Gue mau story dulu guys. Kayaknya harus direkrut dulu deh. Gak ada room lagi soalnya. Mobile ganti Liu lah. Anjing yacht bro. Liu gua di mana? Ganti dong. Sotah lah, XP-nya banyak bro. Ntar gua ngambil air dulu ya. Dah, yuk let's go guys. Udah benar. Enggak, gini. Formasinya salah guys. Lu di depan. Lu di tengah. Karena lu cupu bro. Save dulu. Dah, let's go. Di sini makin gede bukan karena ini ya, bukan karena nambah member ya, karena ini guys. Oh iya, gua ada ini kok. Lantai 3 ya gue ya. Lupa guys, 4 apa 3. Bukan karena nama member ya, karena story. Let's go lah. Ini jago nyusun strategi juga dia di Sisilio. Is Nimni and the Porposkin make land from the river to the north. It's in your hand. Okay. An army led by Mehmet will take the front. Hello, have you heard what I've said? The king of your resort is gonna be watching us. I can go sneaking around. Rothschild. Oh shit. Ini kelemahan gue guys. Jarak dekatnya siapa ya? Nggak mau kasih Marika sih gua. Jarak jauhnya. Geskat kah? Coba deh. Mechanical attack. Boleh kasih Erin. Dah. Mamet nih. Gel sama Marika. Marika gua mana? Ini Sota lah. Lu jangan di depan banget lah. Terus dah, let's go gak sih guys? Siapa itu?
Sir, a dispatch from the advance guard. They will be in contact with the beastmen within minutes.
Very well. Maintain progress. The blessings of the One Way must be brought to the savages, so it has been decreed. One world, one future!
Anjir, one world, one future.
One world, one future!
Kayak MLM anjir.
Help, they're here!
Bah. My valiant warriors, who are the masters of this plane? It seems this order needs reminding. Now is when we make our stand. The spirit's by our side.
Blast! Looks like things have already started.
We should be fine. Both the Blades of Nightsvale and the Porberskin troops are probably in their places.
Good enough for me. Charge!
Kita ribut nih. Boleh grinding lucu sih. Nggak guna deh lo guys. Nah gitu dong, dinaikin levelnya. Bantai siapa dulu nih guys? Finish Captain gak sih? Sakit sekali. Let's go. You're gonna die, bro. Gila, diincar mulu ya. Maju lu sini lu. Gila. Ngadu nih, kalah nih, kalah. Maju Jaya Company anjing. Maju nih kita. Oh shit, kemana nih? Gitu dong, naik level. Bener kan guys? Waduh, banyak beginian bro. Ya, defense lucu loh. Gila. Gue mau dihantem guys. Haha, you're gonna die, bro.
What is this you're telling us? We have them all but surrounded, do we not? Yes, but the enemies to our rear remain elusive. And the enemies on our right flank are so powerful. How is this possible?
Beardsley, let me go out there.
Wah, gila, ini ngeri kali ya jenderal ya.
Whoa, wait, Predicant. A general must never wade into the fray.
The enemy on our right flank.
I think that only I can best them. Only I and this blade.
Serius?
Who's that?
The enemy general, maybe? But something looks strange about him. It can't be.
Fredegund?
Ah, temannya dia kah?
Is it really you? You look well, sister.
Sister. Adanya apa kakaknya, guys?
So you remembered me. And here I was, thinking that you had forgotten all
Gila, jadi
about
jahat
me.
loh.
You think I could forget you? My only sister? I too am quite happy to be able to see you again. Perhaps this is the path the one true way leads me on. You?
Fredegund, you have fallen to the Order?
Why? Why you? And why not you as well, sister? The Order of the One True Way has given solace to countless others.
Listen to yourself. Those in the Order are the enemies of our honored parents. They have trampled our homeland underfoot, brought misery to her people. They're hated enemies.
Well then, if that is the way you see things,
That sword.
Can it be?
Divine
Divine
Edge. Wah, gila. Cakep banget ya. Dia langsung mati, Cok.
This is the power of Divine Edge?
oh dear, how awful you must feel. My sister, are you feeling poorly?
Fredegund. Only the king of Austrasia has the right to draw the sacred divine edge. Why can you?
Apa guys, udah lowbat ya? Wah, lowbat lagi. Emang gue streaming udah lama ya?
Now that's the sister I remember. You still got the color of life in you. It gladdens my heart. No longer will those whom I hold dear stray from my sight. I will not allow it.
Fredegund.
Do you not see how it saddens me, how much I have suffered? My mother and father were murdered, and my own sister abandoned me.
That's not true. I did not abandon you.
It is the same as if you had. You were not by my side during my darkest time. But the Order, they were there. When I wanted only to give up, to die, they spoke to me with kindness. They told me that if I embraced the one true way, I would know of the time to come. That I would no longer need to fear an unknown future or unforeseen tragedy. And so it was. I made my decision. I would become the weapon of my saviors, the blade of the Order.
Fredegund, I did not know you were...
Fredegund,
How awful for you, but you must.
my sister, will you not walk with me on this path?
Open your eyes, girl. They have taken advantage of a crack in your armor. You have been deceived.
I see that your heart is closed to me. Even when we were girls, we were together in everything we did. But sister, you need not worry. For you see, to be together always is our fate.
Fredegund, listen to me.
And that is why, my sister, that is why I must ask you to come along with me. It may cause you a bit of pain, but please do forgive me.
Dibantai lagi.
Crow to kill!
Stop right there.
What is this?
Wah, ribut nih. Bantai nggak sih, guys? Aduh, mati nggak ya dia? Aduh, cepet doang anjing. Aduh, ini harus heal semua sih guys. Lu heal ke Mamet Sir Battle. Bangke ya. Ini lu harus attack sih. Lu heal bro. Mamet Sir Battle. Nah, paralyze. Ini gak ada rasa ya bro. Alah, gonna die. Nggak bisa.
Lord, are you all right? I'm hanging in there. But that sword, it sure is.
So it's you, of the company, vile upstart.
Hey, you're the ones who've been causing problems for people all over the place.
Shut your mouth. No matter how much you resist us, the Order will bring about one world. That, too, has been decided. The Kingdom of Austrasia is said to have the strongest cavalry in the world, and now it is the Order's. Even the Janam Magedom, where the power of sorcery holds sway, can no longer hold the Order in check. And you, letting your puny might go to your heads in this violence, just what do you think will come of it?
Well now, we ain't gonna know unless we give it a shot, are we?
Such a great pride. Dibantu kah? Your boot before you even engage with the furious roar. Got a hold. Oh, dia udah mulai sadar. Cabut. Mati tapi. No. Apa ini guys? Cabut kah kita? Kesini ya?
Kingdom, we're here.
Thank you for finding the time to come. My urge is to tell you on behalf of my tribe that we are in your debt, but I think that would please you.
Well now, it looks like you're getting to know me.
Well then, I will refrain, since I would be serving only my own self-satisfaction. Still, we of the Furious Roar no longer harbor any doubts about you. If you ever need us, we will come. I do want you to know that.
Yeah, we know. If you hadn't forgiven us, you wouldn't even be talking to me, right?
I suppose so. Well, let us discuss the matter at hand.
Oh?
As I was watching you fight earlier, I had the feeling that I was forgetting something very important. It
Baru sadar
wasn't only
deh.
me who felt this. Sevilla and Lycia felt it as well.
Something very important.
When we first met, I distinctly recall that you asked me whether or not I knew of someone called Cougar.
Do you remember him now?
No, but I think the spirits will give me guidance.
Hey, what are you doing?
Diapain guys?
Huh. There's something inside the pillar.
This object was crafted from the bones of sacred beasts by our clan ancestors. Spirits, answer me.
Jangan buku dia.
What is happening?
Dolph, what's going on?
I don't know. What that?
It can't be. Did you see anything?
I think you should touch this as well.
Oh, dapat kekuatan baru lagi kah kita?
May I?
Yes, I want you to touch it.
All right.
I made a promise. Hold on. After this fight.
Cougar, cok. Si Cougar.
Cougar! What was that? It was Cougar.
The spirits, they are the souls of our world. I believe that this may be what the Order is after.
What?
I too have remembered. The friend from another world that Cougar spoke of. That was you.
So you do know him after all?
Yes, Cougar along with Sevilla and Lycia was one of the warriors in my personal retinue. And that vision, the one we just saw, it actually happened in our world.
What? What are you saying? So then, Cougar is...
I'm sorry.
that fool. Why would he do something so... He promised me! This can't be! No! No, 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 no!
Guna daya si Cougar ya.
What do you want?
Oh, nothing. I just thought maybe somebody should be here with you, that's all.
What are you talking about, weirdo? But, thanks, I guess.
Don't mention it.
Whew. I'm so tired I could just collapse. I shouldn't be doing all this stuff I'm not used to. There's still a lot of stuff I don't know. And a lot of stuff I still have to do. If I keep acting soft in the head like this, I'm gonna be a laughingstock.
I suppose so.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Jel. Jel balik guys. Baik gak sih? Apa cabut guys? Cougar ternyata. Kita dapat jurus baru dong. Ya nggak sih? Logikanya sih. Untung gue ke Town Square dulu.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah, sorry about that. I shouldn't have acted like that in front of you.
Don't worry about it. I'm happy to know that you think so highly of Cougar. We heard a lot about you from him as well. That may be why I took such a liking to you from the first moment I saw you.
Oh, really? So, all of you remember him too?
Yes, it appears we are all of a kind now. We have all become star bearers. How ironic, but why now?
There's still a lot we don't know. Could you talk to us about it?
Of course. And yet, unfortunately, we have not managed to remember everything.
It feels like, I don't know, like something is right at the back of my mind. But our world too had people known as Starbearers, standing against a group that claimed ultimate power. I definitely remember that.
We of the Furious Roar fought alongside these star bearers. Some of us were star bearers ourselves.
You mean Cougar?
Right, and there were several others.
Our victories began to pile up, and at last we marched on the enemy stronghold. That was when we first saw him, the enemy overlord, the One King.
The One King?
We did not entirely know what he was. He was possessed of a terrible strength not of this world. He was so powerful that no one other than the Star Bearers could approach him. Because of that, when the time came for the final battle, all I could do was wish the Star Bearers luck. And then they were defeated. I don't know what happened after that. When I came to, it was as if I had always lived in this place.
I wonder why it is that we in this plane appeared in this world. I wonder what happened. So why are we Starbearers here and not in our original world? We have no idea. But the Order of the One True Way is a lot like the enemy we were fighting against in our world. Actually, now that I think about it, they were pretty much identical.
Dengerin dulu ya guys.
That's what Cougar said.
And you are called Star Bearers, and you are fighting the Order. I do not believe that this is a mere coincidence. And that is why we of the Furious Roar have decided to fight the Order alongside you.
Seems like once again our story is progressing before we can even ask you what we're gonna ask.
Save dulu guys.
No, this is for our tribe. We do not yet know why we have come to this world or if we can ever return to our own. Depending on the circumstances, we may have to live here for quite some time. If that's the case, then we cannot ignore those who would intrude upon our land and threaten our clan. When we meet others with the same enemy, others worthy of our trust, to join forces is no dishonor. But hey, we're talking about friends of Cougar here. What could go wrong?
King Dolph. Well, if that's how you feel, we're glad to have you with us.
Yes, as are we. I think this is gonna be fun.
Wih, dapat lagi.
I will trust this to your keeping.
This is too valuable, isn't it?
It is certainly valuable, but I think it will be of use to all of the Star Bearers.
I see. Well, thank you. It's in good hands.
Furious Roar.
Now, we should be leaving for your castle soon, if not immediately.
cook.
Oh, right. Well, that's just wonderful. What's the point in us going then?
Udah guys. Ya apa nih bisa direkrut? Ntar kita jual-jual dulu gak sih? Wuh, 90.000 anjing, mahal banget. Strength says oh shit, bingung gua. Nambah 20 guys. Gak usah deh guys. Bingung gue. Ini 30.000 cok, mahal banget. Udah cukup kali ya. Cabut guys. Kastil kita udah di ini belum ya?
Ah, you're back. Atri, what's going on? I wasn't able to talk with you much the last time you were here, so I thought today might be a good time. Perfect timing. I have something I've been needing to talk to you about too. What's up? Come back to my room, we'll talk there.
Goyang-goyang anjing.
You got a quest report waiting. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh?
Banyak banget misi, guys. Sumpah dah.
Nice to be famous and get good work. This the one you want? You might unearth a ton of secrets. You've made up your mind, right?
With Sota. Ini gimana sih?
Who can I send? Let's see. I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs?
Nah, kita ambilin dulu aja ya.
So you'll take on this quest?
Wah, anjing. 35 hari anjing. Tuh hulu aja kali ya. Temenin lah. Matrio dah. Yo, nice deh.
Let's see.
Oh tuh pak. Main deh. Trio. Ini name-nya ada tuh kan. Udah rekrut guys. Jangan ya Dima, tukang ini anjing.
Who can I send? I gotcha. Want to see some other jobs?
Gila banyak banget cok.
You've made up your mind, right? Who can
Gue
I send?
sepin aja dah. Ya TK pada sakit-sakit guys. Yot enggak guys. Logan boleh dah.
Who can I send?
Dah kita keluarin semua dah anjing.
Want to see some other jobs? You're on this quest now, right? Want to see all the stuff you've done? These are quests done by everyone. These are quests you did yourself. These are quests you did yourself. These are our most current records. Until next time.
Guys, save dulu. Kita udah punya ini ya. Belum keren ini guys. Hanya belum kayak ini cok. Belum kerekrut. Ini anjir. Ada seller guys. empty bro. Darahnya aman ya, save dulu deh. Oke, gua rasa segitu dulu aja streamingnya untuk hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir ya. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.